be starting another Pomodoro session. Nakatapos na ako kanina ng 2 hours. Pero mag-start ulit ako ngayon for 1 hour na lang kasi isang branch na lang naman yung gagawan ko. Yung ayusan ko ng report. So this is our current situation. Ow. Ayan. I think it's about to rain. Kaya medyo uneasy na naman si Beben. Ayan. At takot kasi ang aking baby sa ulan. Lalo na pag super lakas. It's been raining a lot. Oh my gosh, you're wet. Grabe. Nakakaupo ka pa ba?
Divine. Divine, yes. Oo, divine. Ang parang Pinoy sa team sila.
Nagmamakay.
So, ikaw ba'y sang-ayon
Discussion din yan sa Amerika. And then, si Roddy pupunta ulit na sa
Hello guys, so I am finally done with work for the day. Oh, thank God. It was a bit tiring, pero okay lang. At least I'm caught up now with everything from this weekend. Kasi hindi ako nag-work this weekend. Pero yung business na binubook keep namin ay open whole day. Like, some even for 24 hours. So, ayun, I had to catch up doon sa mga kailangang i-book keep from the weekend. So, lesson learned ko for this week ay huwag mag-ipon ng backlogs kapag weekend. Kasi it takes like literally not even an hour to update yung mga kailangan every day. So, it's not much of kawalan ng weekend ko.
Say hi to my vlog.
Hello! Kabaliktad naman kami.
Kaya nga eh. Hello!
Pansit Canton. Naraglag lahat.
Magdador
Okay
mo
na.
kailan pag-graduate na?
Kailan makagraduate na. Okay ah. May balita ba sa mga meeting?
Guys, I don't know, pero sobrang boring kasi talaga ng days ko lately. Like, super repetitive lang niya. Like, I wake up, I do my morning routine, I work, I nap, I eat, like, and then I go to sleep. You know? Like, it's super repetitive and I don't think that's something that you're going to enjoy. But you let me know. Hello guys. So, it's the next day since yung last na clip, I think. I'm pretty sure. So, andito tayo ngayon sa corner ng kwarto namin kung saan nag-work yung tito ko. So, work from home siya. Kaya, ayan, may computer siya dito. I'm going to tackle this kasi parang isang buwan ko na siyang hindi nililinis kasi I'm not up for it. Okay, so this is what's behind the chair. Pero we're going to clean this up kasi for sure, behind those boxes, maraming balahibo, maraming alikabok. About 30 minutes later, this is how it looks like now. Hi, Bebin! It's very clean. Wala na lahat ng kalat dito. Naligpit ko na. Nalagay ko na sa mga lagayan. And bahala na si Titong hanapin yung mga gamit niya kapag naghanap siya. Bala siya yun. Basta malinis yung corner niya. Okay na yan.
Natitingin ako. Ayaw naman umayos magpabuhat.
Ala! Pinapak yung mukha. Ah!
Sino daw doon dyan? Paano siya makadaan dyan?
Sa ano?